Surely there's a better way than most to train beings in auditing. There's all the theory and technology of Scientology, which is a lot of work to study and too long a way to go when you need to treat a case immediately. With Accelerated Scientology, we have extremely powerful and fast auditing processes, which don't necessarily require prior training. All you have to do is clarify the commands by clarifying specialized words, such as thetan, mental, time track, etc. Ron's latest pilot processes, such as M0PC, M0OT, L13 and L14, are sufficient on their own to treat and repair all types of cases. All you have to do is find an area of interest where the case is a phenomenon and ask him about the process without an electrometer. The PC will start running and achieving victories in its daily life immediately. That's what any process is supposed to do, produce results. Then you can give the person all the cobs they want to understand the background theory, but that's a different matter. Now we need to audit people first to enable them to win quickly. If you've mastered the auditing technique, that's all it takes to take on another person. You're bound to make progress with your PCs, and you'll be doing good around you. So get started.